Yo, yo, what's going on, guys? I'm just gonna be talking a bit quieter. Sore throat. Went in and did some work for a client, and they failed to tell me that all four of their children were sick. And I woke up this morning with a sore throat. So it's a bit painful to talk, so I still wanted to go through the names I have on watch, but we will get through it. I'm just finishing up my scans here, and then I will hop right into it. Likely won't do too much Q&A at the end of this. Once I get through my watch list, I'll probably hop off and try and get some rest. Hot, pretty nice breakout. Bitcoin name, how's Mara and those doing? Coin, they're all still holding up pretty well. How about those smaller caps, BTCS, BTCT? Yeah, they haven't gone away. Well, we have had chart pattern here that I've noticed. I also might mention, like, I'm not really expecting a whole lot of people to pop on given Thanksgiving evening for everybody. For Canadians, it was a month ago, so we aren't doing much this evening, but everyone can watch it in the recordings nonetheless. But a pattern that has been coming up is a bit more of like a higher volatility, higher range of a breakout, where something like LX is actually working after going straight up into the breakout level. And API is doing the same thing off this move. It is consolidating, but now it's gone from 450 to 650 and is actually breaking out. So it might be worth watching MVST, because this grind is usually not something that I would want to buy. I would prefer it to consolidate closer to its highs, but it could start to speed up and have similar price action to those. Okay, one. Just do my faders and then I will hop in. Give me one moment, please. That's crazy. After that after hours squeeze, it literally went back down to like $1. Xena, lower volatility, lower risk type trade, but nice little fader. Not much volume really trading on that one anymore. Let me just burn through my last scanner here. Alright, let's call it there, and I will go through my few names here. Basically two main watches in IDAI and OPTT I think will be my main couple. The quantum names I'm not going to lose off radar, just given how much they've gone and they haven't really pulled back. QBTS, Qubit, QMCO, they're all still holding up, haven't really gone away. If they start to give up like 15, for example, then I likely just set price alerts for higher, but at this point I will keep them on watch. IDAI, looking at the daily chart here, going from 20 cents up to almost $1. And a nice final squeeze out into the close after everybody nailed it off the open. And you get this late day ramp and then sits back. People likely think that they've lasted through the last of the squeeze. And then you get this one that blows out through high a day and continues. So I could see this being the final blowout. So I'd like this, if it holds red, for a pullback towards this 50 cents, high 40s, 50 cent-ish. And OPTT, even higher conviction on this one, just given the overhead resistance. And it's doing the exact same thing it did right here, where it went from 20 cents to almost 60 cents, and then had a nice 50 cent to 38 cent pullback, so a little 20% red day. So now this one doing it again, going up from 15 to almost 45 cents, and prior resistance very close by with a lot more volume than it's trading right now. So I would be looking at pops into prior resistance and look for a first red day setup on this. Basically, I'd be short bias on something like this until it were to break and build over 57, 58. But as long as it's under it, I'm going to be looking for pops on the short side. So given that it's a half day tomorrow, market closes at 1 p.m. I believe Eastern. So I will likely just be focusing on IDAI and OPTT off the open, and not really have a whole lot of plans elsewhere. A lot of times when they have Thursday off and Friday half day, which they did last year, I believe, was it with Christmas, or it could have been with Thanksgiving as well, but they've started doing it in the middle of the week. Instead of just giving the rest of the week off, they've started doing a bit more half days. And you'll notice a lot lower range and lower liquidity on days like that. So I won't be looking at doing too much, but I will likely just focus on those two main names, and then move in, move out, and move on, and enjoy the weekend. Appreciate it, Josh. Always coming in with the hype. But yeah, I'll probably just leave it there and try and rest my voice. It kind of came at a good time that tomorrow's Friday, so I don't have to hop on doing chats like this till Sunday evening. So see how I feel over the weekend. Trading well tomorrow. I hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving and enjoyed time with your family. It just gives a better perspective that there's more that exists than outside the screens, and a lot more important things. So thank you guys for stopping by. Watch the recording. I know most people won't catch this live. Appreciate it, Rui. So yeah, get in where we fit in tomorrow and make some memories, and I'll see you guys back here for the Monday watch list. Peace.